everyone. So today I want to tell you about my journal review with the title of Indonesia Development Strategy: The Path of State-Owned Enterprise. So before that, let me to introduce myself first. My name is Niputudian Wahayuni and I have NPM 2024 2212-1003. I am from the Faculty of Social and Political Sciences at Warmadewa University. So let's talk about my journal review. First, Indonesia adopts a new developmental approach by utilizing state-owned enterprise (SOEs) or BUMN as key instrument to drive both national growth and global expansion. Rather than fully embracing free market liberation, the country might take significant state involvement in this economy. This strategy has enhanced competitive and economic sovereignty but continues to face challenges related to governance inefficacy, political influence, and international market pressure. Let's talk about my journal review again. Journal review summary. Title: Indonesia Development Strategy: The Path of State-Owned Enterprise Global Expansion. Published in Journal of Engineering and Technology Management, Volume 26, Number 2, and Year 2024. Reviewer: I'm Niputudian Wahayuni. You can call me Din or Dian. Summary. The review article explored Indonesian shift from a classical developmental state to a more pragmatic neo-developmental state model following the Asian financial crisis. While many expect a trend for liberation and privatization, the state continues to play a significant role in this economic development, especially through state-owned enterprise (SOEs) or BUMN, using a qualitative case study approach. The author focused on their major Indonesia sources like PT Pertamina, PT Semen Indonesia, and PT Perkebunan Nusantara. This study investigates how the state has used their enterprise as instrument of both national and international development strategy. And I have key findings. SOE holding improved to competitive the establishment and companies has strength and effective professionalism and global competitive. Political moves exist beyond economies. Political agendas influence the structuring and expansion of AOS strategy global. Expansion international continued by SOS significantly Indonesia aim from economy, sovereignty, and global influence. Next, we have a strength. Introduce the new developmental state as a new lens to understand Indonesia policy. Combine a strong and theoretical framework with the relevant and empirical case studies, analyzing long-term data with the year-of-year, with allowing effort in the depth of view of developmental trends. Contextualizes Indonesia's strategy with the broader Asian political economy. Next, weakness. The new developmental state concept is not clearly operationalized or measured. Heavily relies on secondary data with limit expression or filtration method. Focus is a limit to only their SOSs, which might not represent the difference of Indonesia's sector. Lacks Dick's analysis of power dynamics between of state political elites and business constellation. The article contests that Indonesia has not fully embraced free market principles. Instead, it adopts contextual development strategy using SOS to achieve national goals, and this strategy reflects a new developmental approach that blends state control with a global competitive. This type is efficient. In this model, focus on ongoing challenges including government infiltrations. Political resist the global pressure. This study analyzing qualitative and case study methodologies that focus on the reach in the role of state-owned enterprise SOEs in Indonesia economic development politics. And especially during the Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono (SBY) and Joko Widodo administration type of reaches this range in exploration descriptive in nature. The aim is to going to understanding of how Indonesia's state development model is changing as a result of globalization and so integration into the state. Data sources this recent our two main types in this data. Secondary data continues of have like a nature, academic journals, and government regulation. Policy report and news article on SOE policy and Indonesia economic development. Primary data comes from filed recent introduced by author from year to year. Although filed or not described in detail. Data collection method. Data was collection through desk research library search, archival search and political document, and documentation of research result. Data analysis technology. This technique use thematic qualitative analysis to find another place or relate main comes, such as the role of state in the development of SOE. Pentapes are determined through SOE political motivation behind holding political and expression into global in market. Next, we have this restructuring give BUMN the ability to become more effective, professional, and competitive organization, and give them the ability to better support in the national development agenda. The holding structure also allows from informal operational, especially on better risks in management. In addition, the study showed that the embellishment of holding of BUMN or policy of BUMN have political elements in additional to economic ones. By establishing more consolidated and integrated government system, the state is considered trying to protect SOS from rent-shaking practices and the influence of political elite interests. This shows that the government is trying to create a policy space that is more from political pressure to better implement development policy. In additional international growth and BUMN as Pertamina Semen Indonesia and Perkebunan Nusantara demonstrates Indonesia effort to enhance economy. Sovereignty and independence. Indonesia's strength in the international arena. In this expansion is not just acts of business, it is part of a long dream. The development part was embracing the role of state in encouraging economic development. Take together test results suggest that Indonesia is adopting a new developmental and state model. The author calls it a model new developmental state because it's not a longer fully because follows the classic and more pragmatic developmental state model which is able to withstand the pressure of globalization and open democracy. This study finds that Indonesia show a consistent developmental pattern that place the state as a main actor in the economic development process. Although the classic developmental state model is often considered inferior, especially after the 1997 Asian classical the strategy role of the state political track. State-owned enterprise AOSS has changed from the continual and approach to a more contextual and adaptive approach which the study refer as the new developmental state. The establishment of state-owned holding companies and expansion of state-owned and enterprise around the world so that the government is utilizing SOS or BUMN to achieve political, social, and national development. Goal in this edition to improving economy Gansi, this method say that Indonesia does not follow the free market. Instead, to make our development plans that consider the long and interest of the country. So that's all my journal review I can give to you. Thank you for watching, so forgive me if I have a wrong in conversation. Thank you and see you. Bye.